What are the checks and balances between the executive and judicial branches? Imagine a system where no single branch of government holds all the power, creating a balance that helps protect the rights of citizens and maintain stability. This is the core idea behind the checks and balances between the executive and judicial branches of government. The executive branch, led by the president or prime minister, depending on the country's system, has the authority to enforce laws and oversee the operation of government agencies. The judicial branch, consisting of courts and judges, interprets laws and ensures they align with the Constitution. The interaction between these two branches involves several important mechanisms. One key check the judicial branch has over the executive is the power of judicial review. This allows courts to evaluate whether actions taken by the executive comply with the Constitution. If a court finds that an executive action violates constitutional principles, it can declare that action invalid. This power was established in the landmark case of Marbury v. Madison. Conversely, the executive branch can influence the judicial branch through the appointment process. The president or prime minister nominates judges to the highest courts, such as the Supreme Court or Constitutional Court. These appointments often requiring confirmation by legislative bodies, which provides an additional layer of scrutiny. This process ensures that the judicial branch remains independent but accountable. The judicial branch also acts as a check on the executive by issuing rulings that can limit or reverse executive actions. For example, courts can block executive orders or policies that are deemed unconstitutional. This serves as a safeguard against potential overreach or abuse of power by the executive. At the same time, the executive branch can influence the judiciary through enforcement of court decisions. While courts issue rulings, it is the responsibility of the executive to implement and enforce them. If the executive refuses or delays enforcement, it can create tension, but ultimately the judiciary's rulings hold significant authority. Overall, these checks and balances foster a dynamic where both branches work within their designated powers, ensuring that neither becomes too powerful. This system promotes accountability, protects individual rights, and upholds the rule of law within a democratic framework.